Now we'll study about the atomic structure of atom. An atom is formed from the nucleus and the extranuclear part. So nucleus and extranuclear part. See, nucleus, this is the nucleus of the atom. Every atom consists of nucleus at the center. Just circle has a center. Yes. So nucleus is at the center. This nucleus is a positively charged. Yes. Almost entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The nucleus contains two types of subatomic particles. They are called nucleons. See first, atom. What is the structure of atom? Every atom, there is a nucleus at the center. Yes. Inside the nucleus, there are some positive charges. They are called some atomic particles. They are called nucleons. Inside the nucleus, positive charges particles are called protons. So these are the protons. Positive charges are protons. And unknown charges means they don't have any charge. They are neutrons. So these are the neutrons. They don't have any charges. So remember again, what is the structure of atom? Every atom, suppose this is the atom. This atom consists of nucleus at the center. Inside the nucleus, there are some atomic particles. They are protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, while neutrons are negatively charged. So these are the neutrons or negatively charged. Yes, remember this. So I will explain again this. This is the model of the atom. Yes, this is the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, these are the positively charged protons and without charge neutrons. Neutrons do not have any charge. The positive charge on the nucleus is due to the protons. A proton is represented by the symbol P. So proton symbol is P. Remember, a proton is represented by symbol P. Each proton carries a positive charge of plus 1 electron. Plus 1 electron means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Yes. So charge on proton is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. When total positive charge on the nucleus is expressed in the unit E, yes, E, positive charge is expressed in E. And what is the charge? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. That is the positively charge on the proton. So its magnitude is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number. Remember, number of protons. Yes, number of protons, they are called atomic number. Remember this, atomic number they are called. Number of positive charges, protons, are called atomic number. And it is denoted by Z. So atomic number is denoted by Z. What is the letter? Z. Atomic number is represented by letter Z. Mass of the proton is approximately 1 U, means 1 Dalton. 1 U is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 gram. So the mass of one hydrogen atom is also approximately 1 U. So this is the protons. Now second is the neutron. Neutrons, you will see here, these are the neutrons. This color are neutrons. So these are the neutrons. Inside the nucleus, protons are positively charged. Yes. Protons are called atomic numbers. Yes. That is the atomic number. It is represented by capital letter Z. And along with the proton, other particles are there. They are called neutrons. Neutrons do not have any charge. Neutron is an electrically neutral subatomic particles and is denoted by N, small n. Neutron is represented by small n. The number of neutrons in the nucleus is denoted by, yes, symbol N. Subatomic particles the number of neutrons, total number of neutrons is represented by capital N. Atomic nuclei of our element except hydrogen with atomic mass 1 U contain neutrons. The mass of neutron is approximately 1 U, yes, which is almost equal to that of proton. So remember, first we have studied what is the structure of atom. Yes, every atom, yes, this structure of atom consists of nucleus, yes, nucleus at the center. So this is the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, positively charged protons are there, and neutrons are electrically neutral. Particles are also there. Protons are called atomic number. They are represented by letter Z. So this is the nucleus. Now second we'll see, that is the extranuclear part. Extranuclear part means in the atom structure includes electrons. See, this is nucleus. Suppose inside the nucleus protons and neutrons are there. Around the nucleus electrons are moving in different orbits. We have studied in the Bohr's model. These electrons are moving. So they are called extranuclear part. Electrons are called extranuclear part. Electrons are negatively charged. So this color, these are the electrons. Electrons are moving in different orbits. So electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle and is denoted by symbol small e. Yes, it is denoted by small e. Each electron carries 1 unit of negative charge. Mass of electron is 1800 times less than of mass of hydrogen. Yes, it is 1800 times less than hydrogen mass. Therefore, the mass of electron can be treated as very negligible. Electrons in the extranuclear part revolve in the discrete orbits around the nucleus. You will see this electron in the first orbit and these electrons in the second orbit. So first orbit contains 2 electrons and second orbit 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons, like this. So electrons are revolving in different orbits. Electrons in the external part revolve in different orbits around the nucleus. The orbits being 3-dimensional in nature. A term shell is used. First shell, second shell means K shell, L shell, like this, instead of orbit. The energy of electron is determined by the shell in which it presses. The number of electrons in the external part is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. Therefore, electrical charge are balances, means how many protons, positive charges and negative charges are same, means protons and electrons are same. That's why positive and negative charges balances is there, and the charge on the atom is electrically neutral, means no charge there on the atom. So this is the information or the model of the atom, structure of atom. So remember, again you remember this, what atom contains. Atom contains protons inside the nucleus. Every atom contains nucleus at the center, and inside the nucleus there are positive charge particles called protons, and inside the nucleus some other particles, they are called neutrons. They are having no charge. They are they are neutral in nature. And around the nucleus electrons are revolved in a different orbits, discrete orbits, and these orbits are named as shells. K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, like this. So electrons are negatively charged, revolving around the nucleus in different orbits. Electrons are negative charge and protons are positive charge. Number of positive charges are always equal to number of negative charges. Therefore, the net charge on the atom is 0, means atom is electrically neutral. So this is the information or the main points about the atomic structure. So remember the structure of atom, you will understand how electrons and protons and neutrons are there in the atom.